What's up, guys? Pretty much today, all I'm going to be doing and showing you guys is if you guys order any airbag system or kit from Bag Riders, which we have a full airlift 3P right here, that's going to be going on this Q50. So all I'm going to show you guys is just what comes with the kit. You know, pretty much everything is almost in the kit. There's a few things you need to buy, but this video is just me showing you guys exactly what comes in it, so you guys can know. So let's get to it. Boom, bada bang. So there we go. So that's everything you get when you order a full kit from Bag Riders. Right off the bat, this is pretty cool. They throw a free shirt, little backpack, your sticker, lanyard, license plate. And then for the kit, this is the front end. So you get your airbag, your hose, your fittings, instructions, actually the adjuster key. And for the back, same thing. You know, hose, airbag, little adjuster key and everything. Instructions. One thing I don't like about this kit. So 2014 and up, any Q50, you have to use your stock rear upper strut mounts. It's the only thing I don't like. No biggie, you know. It takes less than 10 minutes to take them off from the stock ones, but I wish they actually had them included. All right, so we move to the back. You got your tank, management, controller, fittings, fuel lines, valves, and these are pretty much for the compressors to silence them, so they're not too loud when they kick in. Yes, we are missing a compressor. It's on back order. It should be here in a couple days. But we get one exactly like that at 440C. Same thing. And you got all the hose right here you need. You'll have some left over. And then you got the regular axle harnessed. And then, actually, no, I'll take that back. That's the one for the second compressor. That's your main harness right there. And then, this is very super important. This is your water trap. We upgraded this water trap. The stock one that comes with these kits, don't get me wrong, it's good, but this one's a lot better. So if you can, upgrade it. So yeah, if you order a kit from Bag Riders, this is exactly what you're gonna get. Bada bang. So that's exactly what comes in a full airlift kit from Bag Riders. So pretty much next video, I'm gonna be doing a install step by step on how I install this kit on this Q50. I've done this multiple times, not my first time. This is probably gonna be, I wanna say the 20th car I've bagged or more. So I've done this multiple times. I'm gonna show you how I do it, you know. Yeah, I'm not a shop. I'm a guy at home that does this for fun. But stay tuned.